In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a report in Expensify. Whether you're new to Expensify or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can manage your reports effortlessly and with confidence. First, let's get started by creating the report itself. As you navigate within the Expensify app, look for the green, inviting Create button located at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap that, you'll want to select Create Report. This opens up a draft of your report, a clean slate ready to document your expenses. Here, you have the flexibility to personalize your report. If you prefer a specific name for your report to keep things organized or switch between workspaces, you can easily do so by selecting the More option. Next, it's time to add expenses to your report. Tap the Add Expense button to proceed. Expensify provides two convenient options for this step. The first choice is Create Expense, where you'll manually enter the details of a new expense. This includes essential information such as the amount spent, the merchant where the transaction took place, and the category it falls under. It's helpful to be as accurate as possible to ensure your expenses are categorized correctly. Alternatively, if you have expenses that are already logged but unreported, you can select Add Unreported Expense. This option allows you to choose from a list of existing expenses, streamlining the addition process and saving you time. Whichever option you choose, ensure each expense is accurately reflected on your report. Once you've gathered all the necessary expenses and added them to your report, you're ready to submit it. An important note here is that the Submit button only appears once your report contains at least one expense. So, if you don't see it right away, double-check that you've added an item. As soon as there's at least one expense, the Submit button will be visible. Tap Submit confidently to send your report on its way. After submitting, you'll receive a confirmation message that your submission has been successful. This confirmation is your assurance that your report has been sent and is on its way to the next stage of processing. It's a simple yet crucial step that finalizes your efforts in documenting your expenses. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully created and submitted a report in Expensify. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more familiar you become with this process, the quicker and more efficiently you'll be at managing your expenses. Thanks for tuning in, and happy expensing.